In this video, we will learn about prompt. Prompt is basically a part of alert. We have already seen how you can use alert component in the React Native project. So in this video, we will learn how you can use prompt, and prompt allows user to insert text information, so which will be very useful in many scenarios. So first of all, create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. I already opened iOS simulator and it works fine with Android emulator also. So if you are using Windows machine, you can use Android emulator. First of all, let us import the necessary component: view, text, button, and alert. So we will provide a button over here, and when user click on it, a prompt will appear, and when user enter their name in this prompt text box, then we'll have two options: to submit and cancel. When user press on submit, we will be seeing their name on the screen. So first of all, let me just create a state to store the name of the user. By default, it will be an empty string. Now let us create a text. Here we display the name, and then there will be a button. Title will be click. Let us provide some styling to text. Font size will be, let's say, 20. Font weight will be bold. Okay, let me just save this one and save this one. So now let us create the function. Click me. Now alert dot, this time we go for the prompt. The first argument will be title. Let's say welcome. Second argument will be the message. Let's say please enter your name. Then we provide the buttons. The first button will be submit, so the text of that button will be submit. Then the event on press, whichever the text user input in the text box, we will simply set that text into name. Okay, this will be our first button. Second button will be our cancel button. Cancel. And on press, we simply just console. Cancel is pressed. Now the next argument that we can provide is the type of the text. We can choose default, login password, plain text, and secure text. When we choose default, it will be an alert. It will not be a prompt. There will be no text box. If I choose login password, then there will be two fields. The one is we have already created, and the second field will be password. The next is plain text, and the last one is secure text, which will be secure. So whenever you write anything in the text box, you will only see the dots. It usually occurs when you type in a password field. So we will first go with plain text, and the last we can provide the default value for the text. Let's say name. On press event, we provide click me. Let me just save this. Okay, so we have created a state for the name, and we have created a function called click me, and it's generate a prompt. The title will be welcome and the message will be please enter your name. So when I click on this button, let me just click on this. As you can see, we have a prompt, welcome, please enter your name. The default value is name because I provided the name over here. It's in plain text. And if I click on cancel, you can see cancel is pressed. Let me just click on this again. Now we can enter name. Let's enter my name. Okay, so if I press on submit, we will see this name over here. Let me just provide style over here. Let me just rewrite my name. As you can see, if I provide, let's say, if I provide secure text, let me just save this. As you can see, this is how it will look. If I provide default, then there will be no text box. And lastly, login password, there will be another field for the password. Here you can type the password. Let me go back to plain text. Let me write Tony. Let me just click on submit. As you can see, this works perfectly fine. So basically this is how you can create a prompt. It usually used for getting small information out of the user like age or name, etc. You can use this component with both the platform Android and iOS. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching it.